Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over where you would add your windshield washer fluid. So this is the windshield washer reservoir. The top, it's right here below the headlight on the passenger side. So you're just going to pop that cover, use any type of windshield washer fluid that you like, brand, preference, doesn't matter. Just want to make sure that it's windshield washer fluid and not antifreeze or anything like that, because antifreeze, when it gets on your window, it's really slimy and it won't actually clean your windows. So you just pour it in here. Use a funnel if needed. And this will hold, they generally hold about 3 liters, so if you put almost a whole gallon in, if it's completely empty, don't be afraid. So we've topped that off. We've topped that off, or topped it up, and then you can put the cap down, and now you'll be able to run the window washer fluid and spray it on. Now if you hear the hum and you don't get any spray there, that would be that this is empty. But if you know that this is full and you've added fluid and you don't get any spray up there, well then either a relay might have gone bad or the actual pump that's in the mounted under this has gone bad, and you may need to replace that to be able to get your window washer fluid to spray. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.